Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by placing the clip on the timeline and selecting it in the Edit page. This begins the zoom workflow immediately. Once done, open the inspector and enable Transform so you can keyframe, scale, and position. Make sure your playhead is at the frame where the zoom should begin, and set the anchor point to center or drag the pivot where you want the zoom focused. Doing this now avoids repositioning later and keeps the motion smooth. Now you add keyframes. With the playhead at the start, click the diamond next to zoom/scale and position to lock the initial state. Move the playhead to the endpoint and increase scale to the desired zoom amount while nudging position so the subject stays framed. To make it natural, switch to the curves or spline editor and apply an ease in and ease out. This smooths motion and prevents a robotic jump. This step controls pacing and visual focus during the zoom. Finish by previewing the zoom at real playback speed and tweak keyframe spacing if it feels too fast or slow. Closer keyframes speed it up, wider spacing slows it. If you see jitter or pixelation, make sure you're using higher resolution footage, turn on optical flow in the inspector, or use proxy workflow for smoother results. Finally, render a short clip to confirm motion and sharpness. If artifacts remain, slightly reduce scale or reposition to include.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.